Hi, to enable lightning emojis on your Poco X7, first thing first, we need to open settings on the phone. Here, just find tab wallpaper and personalization. And after you tapped it, you should see this list of tabs from which select notification effects. And now you got several options. We can choose none. So when you'll receive notification, you'll see just in your control center and nothing interesting will happen. You can choose to light up screen when you receive a notification, but we got 3 more interesting options such as pulse, blue. So each time you'll receive a notification, those edges of your phone will pulse with blue color. Or you can switch to red color, or choose even starlight, which is really cute. So after you selected any of those options, you can save the changes by simply using this back arrow. And now each time you'll receive new notification, you'll see the starlight effect on your screen or edges will light up. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.